Alrighty, so you made it this far. Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial with a stick cam. Just keep an eye on what I'm doing. As you'll notice, I got my throttle on the right and my roll on the right. So you can see when I'm in positive and when I'm pulling below halfway, I'm negative, zero throttle being in the middle. Just be ready on that disarm switch in case things go pear-shaped rather than throttling back and sending yourself to the moon. Let's have a go. Alrighty, so I hope that helps and it gives you a bit of an idea of what you've got to do with the sticks. As you can see, things went bad for me at the end, and just a quick disarm and no damage and no to the moons. So I hope this tutorial helped and helps you move forward in your quest for 3D. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. I'm happy to answer all questions. See you next time.